Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete business page on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. Now first of all, we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to page. To do that, tap at an arrow that will show your main profile and all of your page. All we have to do now is just select a page we would like to delete. And then once you have done that, we need to go to menu again and then tap at the gear to open up settings. After that, we need to tap at the page settings and then we need to scroll all the way down until we find the access and control. Just tap on it, tap detection and deletion, select delete page, tap add container, then choose any region from the list. Let it be that one. Tap and continue, scroll down, continue again, and on that step we need to enter our Facebook password in the field. Once you have done that, tap add continue, and then all we have to do in order to delete our page is just stop at continue and then we delete page. That's how you can easily delete your business page on Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.